Hello friends, let us see 10 lines on Aditya L1. Let's start writing the first line. The first line is Aditya L1 is India's first solar mission. Aditya L1 is India's first solar mission. Second line. Aditya is a Sanskrit word meaning the sun. And L1 refers to the stable Lagrange point 1 of the Earth-Sun system. This is the second line. Let us jump to the third line. Aditya L1 was launched on 2nd September at 11:50 am in 2023 from second launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, India. Here we complete the third sentence. These are the first three sentences. Let us write the fourth one. The objective of Aditya L1 is to study several phenomena of the solar giant, the sun. It will study the outer atmosphere of the sun and gather information on coronal heating, mass ejections, space weather conditions or dynamics, etc. The objective of Aditya L1 is to study several phenomena of the solar giant, the Sun. It will study the outer atmosphere of the Sun and gather information on coronal heating, mass ejection, space weather dynamics, etc. The fifth sentence is Aditya L1 Aditya L1 will stay 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, directed towards the Sun, which is 1% of the Earth-Sun distance. Aditya L1 will stay 1.5 million kilometers from Earth directed towards the Sun, which is 1% of the Earth-Sun distance. Let's see the sixth sentence. It consists of 7 different payloads, 5 developed by ISRO and 2 others developed by other Indian academic research institutes. Let us write the seventh sentence now. Aditya L1 will never land on the Sun nor march any closer to the Sun. Eight sentences. It will take about 4 months for Aditya L1 to reach its destination. 9 sentences. The overall budget of Aditya L1 is rupees 400 crores. The last sentence is Aditya L1, being India's first solar mission, will help the world in getting valuable data related to the Sun's ultimately contributing to solar research.